Hi, welcome to Yarn Again. I wanted to share WIP Wednesday. This is the first one I do. This blanket is the size of a twin size bed. Well, it will be. Right now, it's the width of a twin size bed as a quilt. I was making it for a toddler bed, but it got out of hand. I am currently using the Lion Brand Mandala from Joblots, the $3.99. I bought 6 of these. It's going to take me about 6 years to get this done. It's in the Neverland color. This is what it looks like knitted up. Very pretty. And it is a 3. Focus there. It says take an H hook, but I use a J. I use a J for almost everything. Except the amigurumi I tried, and well, we don't want to go there. This has 590 yards in a cake, and I'm on my 3rd cake, and it is approximately 20 inches from top to bottom. Vertically, I don't know, because this is folded in 4. And as I said, it is the size of a twin size bed width. And I'm using the same stitch I use. I don't know what it's called. It's the half double crochet and the single crochet in the next one all the way across. I didn't count. I just started out making a scarf. Didn't like it. And I just said, keep going. Eventually you'll end up with a baby blanket. Then I said, keep going. You'll end up with a twin size quilt. Because this is nice thin yarn. It says it's a 3. So yeah, I guess it's a 3. It's nice. The color variants, they're not too bad. This is the one that's on the hook currently. I'm switching over to the blue. They fall out of their thingies. Yeah, I switched over to the blue. It has a nice transition. My dog wants to get on here. It's a nice light blanket. My niece had a baby, so I was making it for her originally, but maybe it'll be for her twin size bed. Like I said, it's going to take a long time to get this one done. Then I am working on granny squares. I have a lot of granny squares. I am currently making all the small ones that I've stored away because I usually just make a granny square when I don't know what else to do. And I have a lot of them, about 50. So I'm putting the cream color on the outside to make them all larger. And this is with Red Heart. It's all Red Heart pounders, Super Savers, whatever I had in my stash. And I will be making a scarf. Not necessarily with these two together, but you get it. And when that is done, whatever is left, which I don't know, I'm going to make as many scarves as I can. And this is from the hats I was making the other day. And I came up with the idea, I put this here as a WIP because I'm going to make a blanket. When I'm done with all the scarves and the hats, and I don't have enough to do anything with, I'm going to just make it into a row and end up making a blanket that's going to look a lot different than this. It's going to look like a, scrappy blanket. Because I also have different, oh, that's a 4. I also have different styles of yarn. I don't know what this is because I got it at a thrift store a long time ago. But it's really soft. I'm going to throw a hat together with it tonight. And if I have enough, I'll do 2. But I don't think so. It's the size of my hand, about a 4x4 inch. And what's left of this is going to get attached to these. And it's going to be a scrappy blanket. I appreciate you stopping by Yarn Again. and I hope you have a great day. If you like this video, please give it your DNA and give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you so much for stopping by. Yarn again. Have a great day.